It is 6 a.m. and we are getting ready to fish. I'm here with, of course, Chef David.
We don't go fishing, we go catching.
So we just got on the boat. Alright guys, we have a bunch of fishing lines that got set up over here, so I'm going to show you that.
Speed at the wheel or at the back, which is a little pedometer, says we're doing 1.8 to 2. Speed over ground is 2.7 to 3. Surface temperature is 55 degrees, and then this is what time it is because you guys were late.
Sounds.
So the fishes that you see over there, is that showing like forward facing this way or like back facing?
Picture's taken right at the back of the boat. So
Gotcha.
what actually happens is the transducer is about the size of like a dollar bill. Okay. So in that cone or that array that is taking that picture, the farther you get down in the water, the bigger picture it takes. So on the surface, I mean, we're only taking a picture the size of a dollar bill, but 20 feet down, we might be taking a picture. You can see like this steady line here, 53 feet down. That's my corner rigger over there. So it's starting to pick up that rigger. The shoot rigger, the center rigger is actually, the cannonball's blowing back far enough to where it falls out of the array, depending on what direction or speed or what we're doing. At times I can pick up all three, sometimes I can't pick up any, you know, so they're all variables, you know, but I mean, when you're shooting down at the bottom at 120 foot, I mean, you're taking a nice size picture.
What an incredible day out here, just above sunrise. Whoa! Oh, there you go. Oh, hey, we'll take it. He's an eater.
Grab him by the gills there. Yep.
There we go. Yay! There we go. Look at him. Beauty. Nicely done, man.
Oh, there he is. There we go. Chef David on the line.
Get in, huh?
Oh, that's a nice size.
Whoa!
That is a nice size. Woo.
What's up? Shihan, the key here is holding the fish extremely close to the camera.
Hey, what's going on? We are back at Chef David's house and we have the salmon right over there and we have him. He's going to show us how to gut it. So we're going to be in for a ride.
All right, welcome to Salmon Carving 101. Just kidding. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys through how I would prepare out a whole salmon for a whole salmon presentation. We're doing fillets today over wood planks, but we're gonna start here underneath the gill plate, removing out the gills. We'll go through the gutting process, remove out the innards, and then we're gonna have to wait till the YouTube launches later on here this summer to show you how we're using an actual tuna sword to carve the fillets off this fish.
Okay, I see.
This is the content Instagram needs, but no one's gonna let you see it. All right, so I'm gonna come through here, ready? And I'm gonna rip. So 2 fingers in. I'm trying to get my hands all around both sides of the gills and go in. And then I might come directly underneath. There we go. And here, you have the entire gill plate. This is delicious with a little bit of garlic, some butter, some... I'm just kidding. Don't
I was about to say, you can't eat that.
It's here, and I'm just going all the way in. And it's almost like God drew a little line on the bottom of the fish to follow. So it's not that tough. You're going to see that as we get down here to the breastplate. Let's get that moved.
So now that you saw Chef David clean out that fish and gut it, we're going to cook it next. And you guys are going to be in for a treat on that one.
Few they get, it's the few that hurt the many. But I'm gonna use a sprayer here in a second. But at the end of the day, I think the problem social media has is that by not showing people this kind of stuff and showing people where their food comes from, they lose respect for the animal. They lose respect for nature. They don't garner a full respect for what it takes to harvest a fish just like this.
Which creates another set of D-bags.
Completely, yeah. It's a vicious D-bag chain.
What's going on, guys? I'm actually on set right now. We got the salmon. We're gonna cook that salmon, and we're at David's set, which is basically his backyard. I'm gonna show you how his set is actually set up. And there's that salmon from earlier, all cleaned up. We have some Michigan-grown asparagus, some Michigan soy sauce, olive oil, Michigan potatoes, garlic, sesame oil, ginger, Michigan mushrooms, some more Michigan grown mushrooms there, some butter, some salt and pepper. So we got our salmon seasoned up and we have it on a wooden plank, and we're gonna put this salmon inside of a charcoal barbecue machine. And that is the end result of the salmon.